All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Lloyd's online TR-808 drum machine. Pretty cool here. There'll be links down in the description below for this. Also, if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. I have videos on music production, plugins, free plugins, all kind of crazy things like that. So check it out. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all that kind of stuff. You know what to do. Anyways, let's check out this 808 thing here. Let's go. So, really quick, very simple to easy to understand. We got our tempo here, we got our swing, we got our clear pattern, save pattern, load pattern, help, clear the pattern. We got some saturation here, or that's clean, I'm sorry. Clear is over here. Clean, saturation, low saturation, high saturation. Our master volume is over here. And then we have 16 step, 32 step, 40 or 64 step, and auto scroll. And then we have some preset drum beats and stuff in here as well. Let's just start programming a beat. We'll put a kick is here, maybe a snare there, kick, kick, kick. We'll do that. And then we got some hi-hats, maybe just do some eighth notes or something. And then we'll do this. And then we got a lot of instruments here. Get the toms and stuff like that. Medium tom. I'm just doing this kind of randomly. Obviously, you can see that. And then maybe a cowbell or something. So let's just see what this sounds like. So the tempo down. So we'll go with a saturation low. Another cool thing is we could change the kick drum sound here. We got all these, about 29 different kick drum sounds. Different snare sounds. Demo them here. Got all these other things in here too. And then we have accents down here. Put accents on the 2, 4, and I don't even know what some of these ones. Let's add some more instruments here. Clave, cowbell, we've got the cowbell, rim shot. We'll just hit play. Now, what we can do is just download that as a WAV file. You can actually export it as a MIDI file pattern as well for Ableton Live's 808 core kits. We got the Behringer RD8s, a couple other ones down here. But I'm going to do an audio file. And then we got our presets over here too we can explore with. Before we do that, let's just play one of these. The swing. Then we can hit record. And then when you hit stop, it just automatically creates a thing here where you can download it and we could drag it into our DAW. Now the loop point is a little bit, yeah, right there. So you might have to do a little bit of editing. Like right there, it's hitting that. Just kind of cut that there. So there you go. So you might have to do a little bit of things there. And pretty cool, and it's labeled very well. Has actually bitrate and everything in here. So pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Leave some questions down below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.